In this guide, we'll walk you through the most effective 7 methods to fix the Samsung phone not turning on issue. Solution 1. Check your phone charging setup. A faulty charging setup could be the reason your Samsung phone won't turn on. Here's how to check. Charging port inspection. Turn off the phone and clean the charging port with a soft brush or toothpick to remove lint or debris. Charger and cable check. Inspect the charger and USB cable for visible damage. If the charging indicator flickers when you wiggle the cable or port may be faulty. Power source test. Try a different wall outlet, not a USB port, and consider using a wireless charger to bypass potential port issues. Solution 2. Ensure your phone has sufficient charge. If your Samsung's battery is fully drained, it may take several minutes before showing the charging icon. To fix this, connect your phone to the charger, leave it charging for 15–30 minutes, and avoid pressing the power button repeatedly to prevent interrupting the boot process. If the battery is heavily depleted, your phone might vibrate or show the power icon only after some time. Solution 3. Use a compatible charger. Using an incompatible or low-quality charger can prevent your Samsung from turning on. Ensure you use official Samsung chargers for stable power. Check third-party chargers for compatibility with Samsung's charging standards. Check third-party chargers for compatibility with Samsung's charging standards. Solution 4. Hard restart your Samsung. A system glitch can make your Samsung phone unresponsive. For most models, press and hold power plus volume down for 10–20 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. If a menu appears, select normal boot using the volume keys and confirm with the power button. For older models with a home or Bixby button, press and hold power plus volume down plus home or Bixby for about 10 seconds. Solution 5. Reboot Samsung Galaxy in safe mode. Booting your Samsung phone in safe mode can help identify and resolve software issues. To do this, press volume down plus power simultaneously for about 15 seconds until your phone vibrates. Release the power button once the Samsung logo appears. Your phone will then boot into safe mode. Solution 6. Use a professional tool. If your Samsung phone won't turn on due to system crashes or firmware issues, using a professional Android repair tool can help. Android Repair automatically diagnoses and fixes software problems, preventing your Galaxy from powering on. Step 1. Download, install, and open the Android Repair tool. Step 2. Click the repair option on the main interface. Use a working USB cable to connect your Samsung phone to the computer, then select Android Repair to move to the next step. Step 3. On the new page, select your Samsung phone's brand, name, model, and carrier. Input the verification code 0000 to confirm you understand the process. Double-check the device details to avoid errors, and click Next. Step 4. Follow the on-screen guide to boot your Samsung phone into download mode. Once in download mode, click Next. Step 5. The program will automatically download the correct firmware package and begin repairing the system. Wait for the process to complete. Your phone will reboot once finished. Solution 7. Find an authorized service center. If you've tried all the methods above and your Samsung phone still won't turn on, the issue is likely related to hardware failure. In this case, it's best to visit an official Samsung authorized service center for a professional diagnosis and repair. Avoid opening or disassembling the device yourself, as this may void your warranty or cause additional damage.